Welcome to Professor Grace's graphic class. Before you start this lesson, download the linked reference file and please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw hearts in two different ways using the pen tool and related tools. Click Pen tool in the Tools panel and touch the tail of bar to detach it from the panel. First, let me show you how to convert a triangle into a heart shape. Hold down Ctrl and click the triangle to select it. Select Add Anchor Point tool and click each of the three guide locations at the top of the triangle to add 3 anchor points. Select the Direct Selection tool, then hold down Shift and select the second anchor point from the top of the triangle. With the second and fourth anchor points selected, press Shift and press the up arrow 13 times to shift the anchor point. Select the Anchor Point tool. Click and drag on the top left anchor point and the top right anchor point respectively to convert straight lines into curves. Then hold down Shift and drag the mouse to create a shape. Click and drag on the bottom anchor point to convert a straight line into a curve. Hold down Shift and drag the mouse to create a shape. The shape you see now looks more like a dog's tongue than a heart. Now, let's adjust the shape of the left and right to make a heart shape. With the bottom anchor point selected, select the Direct Selection tool in the Tools panel, and then adjust the direction handler, which affects both bidirectional direction handlers. So you can see the opposite path shape is changing. However, if you use a shortcut key, you can reshape only one side of the path without affecting the other side of the bidirectional direction handler. Press Ctrl G to cancel. If you press Alt with the Direct Selection tool selected, you will see the mouse icon change it to the Group Selection tool shape. If you drag a direction handler in this state, you can change the only one side shape without affecting the direction handler on the other side. If you press Alt so that the bidirectional direction handler does not affect each other, you can control the direction handler without pressing Alt anymore. Adjust the direction handler to balance the left and right shapes to complete the heart shape. This time, I will show you how to draw a heart using the pen tool. Select the pen tool, click to the left of the heart guide, hold down Shift, and drag the direction handler up. Click to the next location, hold down Shift, and drag the direction handler down. If you click on the following location and hold down Shift and drag the direction handler down, you will not be able to draw the desired shape under the influence of the previous direction handler. Press Ctrl G to cancel. To solve this problem, press the keyboard shortcut Alt to change the mouse icon to Anchor Point tool. Press Shift and move the direction handler up to change the direction. Click to the next location, hold down Shift, and drag the direction handler down. Click and drag at the next location to draw a shape that matches the guide, and then click and drag the Start Anchor Point to close it. Hold down Alt and drag the left direction handler a little up to balance left and right. Hold down Ctrl and adjust the direction handler to complete the heart shape. In the Swatches panel, select red color. Press Ctrl semicolon to hide the guides and press Ctrl double quotation to hide the grid. I started teaching today using the Illustrator CC version. Documents saved with a lower version in Illustrator can be opened with higher versions, so you can open the provided reference files. If you need to open a document that worked in a higher version in a lower version, go to File Save As menu or press the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl S. In the Save As dialog box, click Save. In the Illustrator Options dialog box, click the Version drop-down button to select the version you want. Well, this is the end of how to draw hearts in different ways using the pen tool. Thank you for watching Professor Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.